How to use Drive Up in Target for curbside pickup. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to provide you with a very simple guide in order to use that feature on Target step by step so you can follow out this method. So we can head over to target.com for that. Just go and type in target.com and hit enter and you will be finding you will be logged in into target.com. If you're not logged in, you can log in. And what is Target Drive Up is, it is something that lets you order online in the app or and have your items brought directly to your cart. You do not need to go inside the store. So once you visit the target.com or open up the Target app, sign it into your account, and you can search for the items that you would like to add to cart. Basically find the items and click on add to cart and add the items to your cart this way. And basically at checkout, we can select the option for Drive Up as our pickup option. So in the top, we can find cart option, click on it. Once you're okay with all the products that you would like to buy, and we can start with the process of checking out. So we can just go over and click on this option called checkout. After that, check it out. And when you're checking out the product, right below the product will be finding option called Drive Up. So we need to select this option called Drive Up with the Target application as a pickup option and select it. After that, we can just go over and choose up our preferred Target store. Make sure that the Drive Up location is available, and we can just go over and click on check out Drive Up item, and we can add up our preferred time window for the pickup. So we can just go over and add the preferred time. After that, you can complete the order and pay online. And when you arrive, you can park in a designated Drive Up spot. And, those are usually marked with blue signs. You can just go and tap, I'm on my way for your order if you're using the website of the application. And a team member will bring you your order to your car. And you need to show your order confirmation in the app. And they will place your items in your trunk or back seat. And no need to leave your car. And that's it. You can just go and follow this process and use the Target Drive Up feature available. Again, check it out. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.